Well, it's back together, Goondocks. Hopefully you like it, and I'll review it and then I'll send it back to you. I'll probably carry it a few days and to just test it out, and I'll send it back to you. Takes a little bit getting used to the flipper because I don't think it has a super strong detent. But if you press on the flipper tab, press down, you can get it to flip open reliably every time. I don't know if I pull this flipper tab, if it will open. Yeah, it's open. I lubed it really good. And the only place I use Loctite on is the pivot. I didn't Loctite all the screws. I don't ever Loctite the screws. I had to heat up this back end, the metal, to get all the screws out, and just for the picture. But other than that, the screws are fine. They're not stripped or anything, and it's probably a good looking knife, I think. A good flipper, minus that you just have to give it some oomph and will open. And it's not because it's such a big blade, you can fail it if you don't like press hard down and when you flip it open. And I don't know if you have a centering problem. It's mostly centered. I think it's 95%. It leans a little bit towards this side, and I couldn't get it out of it. I don't remember if it was straight in there to begin with, but I've taken it apart 3 times and I still can't get it totally centered. Sorry if I did that. I don't think I did that, but yeah, maybe it's just a 95% centered. I mean, it looks 100%, but to me it's like a little bit off, just a tiny bit off. Let's see if I can. Yeah, doesn't it look a little bit leaning towards this left side? I don't know. Yeah, it's a good knife. I'm probably going to get the black blade version myself and dye the scales on that. I don't know what I'll dye it, but I don't like the original color. But I like the black blade and all the black clip. I want to just build a all black knife, maybe some color on the scales. So I hope you guys liked it. I hope Goondocks likes it. Calvin, let me know once you get it back if I did good. And yeah, sweet knife. Very, very good in hand. I like it. I like how it looks and everything. Oh, it's drop shutty. I don't know why it keeps doing that. Maybe if I lazy flip it, it won't flip open. So that's lazy flipping. I don't know. It has a 95% success rate, but occasionally I'll screw it up. Take care, Wastelanders.